So to determine the distance between the subway and house, we have to first determine their coordinates. So first let's determine the coordinates of subway. Clearly from the graph, we can see that it is at -4 and -2. Now let's determine the coordinate of house. It is 4 units away from the vertical axis and 3 units away from the horizontal axis. So it is at 4 comma 3. So now we have determined the coordinates. We can utilize the distance formula, that is the distance between the 2 points x1 and x1 y1 and x2 y2 is under the root of x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. So we can consider any one point as x1, y1 and the other as x2, y2. So I'm going to consider the coordinate of x, that is 4 comma 3, as x1, y1, and the subway, that is -4, -2, as x2, y2. Now let me substitute into this distance formula. So therefore the distance between house and, I'm sorry, house and subway, this equals x2 minus x1. So x2 is -4 minus x1 is 4 quantity squared plus y2 is -2 minus y1 is 3 quantity square under the root. So this gives -4. -4 is -8. So we put -8 quantity square plus -2. -3 is -5. Put -5 quantity square. -8 quantity square is positive 64 plus -5 quantity square is positive 25. So we get 64 plus 25 is under the root 89. Now if we plug this into the calculator, we get 9.4 approximately, and this is when rounded to the whole number, this is approximately 9 miles. Therefore the distance between the house and subway is 9 miles.